Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Beta, we have to start exercise 8B today. Have you all written the formula that I told you to write down yesterday? Very easy exercise on very simple concept, proportion. Ready, all of you?
Good morning.
Good
Yes.
morning. Everyone ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Keep your videos on, all of you. Exercise 8B.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screen.
Peter, rejoin the meeting. Listen. The concept that we are going to use in this question, suppose if there are four numbers A, B, C, and D, when four numbers are in proportion, yesterday also I told you, then we write the four numbers like this. A ratio B is proportional to C ratio D.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
A ratio B is proportional to C ratio D. We can
And we
also
can
read it
multiply A into D, B into C.
we
Then
can
we
also
get
read
the
it as
formula.
A is to B as C is to D, in short, as if we can read it like this. A is to B as C is to D. Okay, and when four numbers are in proportion, proportional का जो symbol है, this is the symbol for proportionality. Okay,
Yes.
four dots like this. Okay. So when four numbers are in proportion, then the product of extremes. Extremes means the numbers which are coming in the corners, in the starting and in the end. Extreme. Extreme मतलब बिल्कुल या तो starting में या बिल्कुल end में. So product of extremes यानी कि A into D is equal
A
to
into
the
D,
product of
B
means.
into
Means
C.
मतलब जो middle में आ रहे हैं. Okay.
Yes,
B
sir.
into C. Okay. Means. These are the means. B and C. The numbers which are coming in the middle. So A into D is equal to B into C. This is the formula we can use when four numbers are in proportion. So on the basis of
Proportion.
this, we will be starting the exercise. Okay.
Sir, in the starting of the chapter, the sum I told you that I already remember. So this sum only I remember. These types of
Yes.
proportion.
So you have already done this in class 6. So it is very
Yes,
easy
sir. So
for
that's
you.
why I
Question
remember.
number 1, we have to show that these four numbers are in proportion. The numbers are 30, 40, 45, and 60. All of you. I hope you all will do it a little quickly. Okay.
Yes.
So these are the four numbers which are, we have to show that they are in proportion. So how to show that the numbers are in proportion? We will check. हमें check करना है. We will check that the product of extremes is equal to product of means or not. So how to check it? We will write product of extremes. Product of extreme means A into D. First number, last number. 30 into 60. What is the product? 1800. This is the product. Now find the product of means. We will find the product of means also. That means the middle two numbers B into C. 40 into 45. What is the product? Again 1800. So here we are getting the product of means equal to
Means equal to.
product of
Yes, sir.
extremes. So that means we
So
can
sir, it
write
is in
A
proportion.
into D is equal to B into C. They are equal. Therefore, 30, 40, 45, and 60 are in proportion. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So done.
Have you all done it in your
Yes, sir.
copy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Second one is same. Let's start with question number 3. As I told you yesterday also, we will be doing questions on all the concepts. We will not do, we will do some similar type of questions also, but not all of them. Okay. So let's start with question 3. Here the
Sir,
numbers, yes,
sir, in question number 2, where they have said
the,
that
the
show that they are not in proportion. So, sir, we have
so
to do
you will
with this
just find
formula
the
only, or
same thing you will do.
okay,
You will find the product of means, you will find the product
got it.
of extremes, and you will see that they will not come equal. So that means we can say that the numbers are not in proportion. Okay. In question number 3, it is given that 2 is to 9 as x is to 27, already given in the question. 2 is to 9 is 2 is to 9 as x is to 27. That means it is given that the numbers are in proportion. The four numbers are in proportion. Given. जब भी ऐसे लिख देते हैं इसका मतलब होता है ये proportion में हैं. Already given in the question. So we can use it. So we can write, we know that product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now we are going to use it. In the previous question, we were proving it. We were showing that the numbers are in proportion. Here it is already given that the numbers are in proportion. So we will use the concept product of extremes equal to product of means. So
So the
extremes
answer is 6.
are 2 and 27. Product of extremes, product of means 9 into x. 2 into 27 upon 9 is equal to x. 2 into 3 is 6. That means the value of x is 6.
6.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Easy.
So done.
Sir, done.
Good. Let's start with the question number 5 with same. We will do question 6 is also same, but we will do only the third part of question 6. Okay. 4, 5, 6, all the questions are fixed. Same. We are doing the third part of question 6. Okay. So question number 6, everyone. 6, third part, the numbers are 2.8. We have to find the fourth proportion. I am telling you the meaning. 2.8, 14 and 3.5. Three numbers are given. The fourth number which is in proportion is missing. So let the fourth number be x. उसको हमने खुद x मान लिया. So now we can say that it is given that 2.8 ratio 14 is proportional to 3.5 ratio x. Let's use the property A into D is equal to B into C. Product of extremes equal to product of means. 2.8 into x is equal to 14 into 3.4. Okay. So let's find x. X equals to 14 into 3.4. Are you all getting the concept? Any problem in the concept? 3.5, 3.4 means, sorry.
No.
Have you all
No,
understood
sir.
the concept?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
The same as the last question. In the
Yes.
last question, the letter x was already given. Here, they have not given the number. They have said that find the fourth proportion. So you just write x in place of the fourth number. Okay. So now here in the equation, we can just remove the decimal from numerator and denominator both, because there is only one digit after decimal. We can directly remove. Divide by 7, 4, divide by 7, 5, x equals to, we get 7 into 5 upon 2, which is 35 upon 2, which is 17.5.
17.5.
Let's start with question number 7. Ready?
Yes,
Everyone. Have you all done question 6?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, done.
Nice.
Sir, done.
Very good. Question 7. A little different from this one. Just a very, very small change. Now there are not 4 numbers, there are 3 numbers. And it is said in the question that the 3 numbers are in continued proportion. So what is given here? 36, 54 and x. 3 numbers only are in continued proportion. Please notice here that the word continued is given. So continued proportion. So when 3 numbers are in continued proportion, how do we write it? Everyone? Just one
So,
small thing. We write the
So
middle number 2
36
times.
ratio 50. Yes, sir.
We write the middle number 2 times like this.
2 times.
36 is to 54 as 54 is to x. 36 ratio 54 proportional to 54 ratio x. Okay. Again, formula will remain the same. A into D is equal to B into C. Okay. 36 into x is equal to 54 into 54. Value of B and C is same in this question. Okay, so x equals to 54 into 54 upon 36. When you simplify, what do you get? X equals to 81. Any doubt?
no, sir.
Sir, done.
Question 7 we have done, 8 is same, 9 is also same. Do the third part of question 9. Everyone start doing. Third part of question 9. Same as question 7. Find the third proportion. So let the third proportion be x again. 4.5, 6 and x are in continued proportion. Okay. So 4.5 ratio 6 as 6 is to x. A into D is equal to B into C. I hope you all are doing it yourself.
Yes, sir. Doing.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 6 into 6 upon 4.5. Remove the decimal, multiply the numerator by 10. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5.
So 4.5.
2, 2. Beta, sorry.
Sir, done.
So maybe the answer is 4.5. My answer came
The
4.5.
answer is 8.
So, my answer is
My
also
answer is
8.
8.
So mine is wrong. I need to
Correct.
correct it. I don't know what I did.
Hmm. Find out the mistake. Tanya.
So got the mistake. So by mistakenly I did I found the wrong numbers in proportion. Sorry, sir. I did it like 4.5 ratio, so 1 by 6 and is 2. I did wrong. Sorry.
Correct. So when the 3 numbers are in continuous proportion, we write the middle number 2 times. Just remember this concept. Okay, easy. The rest of the thing is same. Let's start with question number 10. Have you all done question 9?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so question number 10. Question 10 is, if the third proportion to 7, x and 28. Sorry, if the third proportion to 7 and x is 28, that means the three numbers are is in proportion are 7 is to x proportional to x is to 28. Now x is coming in middle, so you write x two times. Got it? This is
2x.
given. 7x and
7
28
into
are in
28
28
and then
proportion.
2x.
So not 2x, it will be x
X into x.
square. X into x square.
Yes.
So product of extremes a into d is equal to product of means b into c. 7 into 28 is equal to x into x. 7 into 28, 196, x into x square. Square root of 196 is equal to x. How to find square root? Do you all remember how to find square root?
Yes.
Sir.
Do the prime factorization of the number 196. 2 into 2 into 7 into 7
Sir,
equals to
x is
x.
equal
So
to
you can see, so there are two pairs of one pair of 2 and one pair of 7. So 2 into 7 is equal to x equals to 14. Okay.
okay. Sir.
Question 11, same. So we are going to start with question number 12. Can you all do the second part of question 11 yourself?
Sir, which part?
Second part.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Start doing it. Question 11, second part. And post your answer in the group. Okay. Question number
Sir, done and said.
done, all of you. What is the value of x? Question 11, second part. Is it 9?
Sir,
Sir,
9.
9 answer came. 9.
Very good. So question number 12. Let's start. What must be added? So it is kind of a word problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Keep your videos on. So what number must be added to each of the numbers 5, 9, 7, 12 to get the numbers which are in proportion? So there are 4 numbers given. We have to add the same number in all the 4 numbers, and after adding that number, the new numbers that we get, they will be in proportion. So let the number that is added be x. Let the number that is added be x. So let the number that is added be x. So after adding x, what do we get? We get 5 plus x, first number. What will be the second number? It will be 9 plus x. Third number will be 7 plus x. And fourth number will be 12 plus x. Are you all getting it? So after adding x in all the four numbers, the numbers will be in proportion. So can we write like this? First number is to second number as third number is to fourth number. Clear or not?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Here we
let's
cannot
form an
clear.
equation 5 plus x product of extremes into 12 plus x equals to product of means 7 plus x into 9 plus x. Okay. Find out the product. These numbers, the first is here the product. When you find product, you will use the concepts that you have studied in the chapter algebraic expressions. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so let's do it. 5 into 12. What is the product? 5 into 12.
So 60.
60. 5 into x, 5x. X into 12, 12x. X into x, x square. 63 plus 7x plus 9x plus x square.
Yes.
Okay, from both the sides you can cancel out x square.
So like algebraic expression.
Yes, absolutely. And exactly like the topic that we have studied, multiplication in algebraic expression. Okay. 5x plus 12x, 17x equals to 63 plus 16x. 9 plus 7, 16. So we get 17x minus 16x equals to 63 minus 60. This means x is equal to 3. This is what we had to find out, that what number should be added, x should be added. Answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
13th is same as 12th. So you will try the 13th one in homework, but you will do it. Okay. 13th one. Definitely.
Okay.
Okay. 14th. Have you all understood the 12th one? Is there any doubt in the question?
No, sir.
sir.
Clear?
Yes,
Question.
sir. So here we have solved, but sir, without solving, with our common sense, we can multiply it and then we can easily find the 63 plus 3.
Correct. Question number 14. The scale of a map is 1 is to 5 lakh. The scale is 1 is to 5 lakh. So what is the meaning of scale of a map? 1 is to 5 lakh means, sorry, 50 lakh. This is 50 lakh.
So
1,
like
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. What is the meaning? All of you.
Means the measurement.
So the
So the distance from
like the
one place
distance
to
of the
another.
map, total distance from up to down.
Let me tell you. Okay. If suppose this scale means, do you know that map is a very small version of the actual distances between towns, cities,
Yes.
villages, countries, continents, है ना, उसका छोटा version होता है. Am I right? So the map is we try to show the distances between any two places in the same proportion as they are in actual. Okay, in the same ratio as they are in actual. For example, here the scale is 1 is to 50 lakh. This means if two cities are 1 centimeter apart in the map में 1 centimeter की distance है, then in actual they will be 50 lakh centimeters apart. Actually में उनके बीच में distance कितना होगा? 50 lakh centimeters. तो उसको छोटा करके we have brought it to 1
So
centimeter.
5 kilometers.
Okay. So similarly, now you have to find out if two cities in the map they look like 4 centimeter apart in the map. They are 4 centimeter apart in the map. The distance is 4 centimeters in the map. So in actual, what will be the distance between the two cities? The
So 4
ratio
into
will remain the
15,
same. That means the proportion, the four numbers will be in proportion. So let the actual distance जिनके बीच में हमें we have to find actual distance between two cities, between the two cities or towns क्या है towns b x, actual distance b x. So this means 1 is to 50 lakh. The proportion, the numbers will be in proportion. The ratio will remain the same. Okay. Proportional to, now in the map, the cities are 4 centimeter apart. So 4 ratio x. 1 is to 50 lakh as 4 is to x. Understood the logic?
yes.
Okay. So this was just to explain you. ये note मत कर लेना. Okay. So this one you have to note. वो मैंने हटा दिया. So you can form the equation. Write down the formula: product of extremes 1 into x equals to product of means. 50 lakh into 4. So this means x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 crore centimeters. X is equal to 2 crore centimeter. Change it in kilometers. When you divide by 100, it will be changed in meters, and when you divide by 1000 also, it will be changed in kilometers. So we can remove 5 zeros in the numerator: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is x?
200.
X is equals to 200 kilometers. So the actual distance between the two cities is 200 kilometers, whereas in the map they are just looking 4 centimeters apart. Actual में कितना है? 200 kilometers. Okay.
So done. It's too long. 0, 0, 0.
Understood the logic of the question, everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Good.
Yes, sir.
Let's start with question
Sir,
number
exercise
15.
8C also will do or not? Sir, exercise 8C. Or will do by ourselves?
बेटा 8C तो आपको खुद
Yeah, well,
MCQs
Okay, sir.
try them. Question number 15. At a certain time, a tree 6-meter high casts a shadow of length 8 meters. There is a tree which is 6-meter high. It casts a shadow of 8 meters. Okay. And then there is a pole also. The shadow of the pole is 20 meters. You have to find the actual height of the pole. Have you ever noticed that whenever you see that doesn't matter where the sun is, कहीं पर भी हो, if the object is small, the shadow of that object is of a particular length, and if the object is big, the shadow of that object will be big as compared to the shadow of the smaller object. Am I right or not? But the ratio of the actual height and the shadow remains the same. Ratio of the actual height of the object and the shadow of the object remains the
Because
same.
of
Whether the
position.
object is small or big, the ratio remains the same. Okay. अगर छोटा ऑब्जेक्ट होगा तो ऑब्जेक्ट की शेडो छोटी होगी, ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा हो जाएगा तो उस हिसाब से ही ऑब्जेक्ट की शेडो बड़ी हो जाएगी. दैट मीन्स द फोर थिंग्स दैट देयर आर they are in proportion. The ratio is same. Proportion को बोलने का एक और तरीका है, the ratio is same. Proportion का मतलब यही होता है. Okay, the two ratios are same. Okay, so let's do it. We know that let first of all let the height of the pole be x. Now height of what is the first thing? Tree. Is it a tree? Tree. Height of tree, ratio shadow of tree is proportional to height of pole ratio shadow of pole. Have you all understood this concept which I just explained you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let's put the values. Height of tree. What is the height of tree given? It is given in the question 6 meters. Shadow of tree 8 meters. What is the height of pole? It is not given. We have assumed that it is x proportional to x ratio and the shadow of pole is 20. So just putting the values. Okay. Product of extremes 6 into 20 equals to product of means 8 into x. 6 into 20 upon 8 is equal to x. X is equal to, simplify this, 15 meters. Answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So
No
syllabus
doubt.
finish.
Not is how अभी दो chapter बचे हैं.
Is profit
Profit and
and loss.
loss and percentage.
So maybe
So
no,
percentage.
Sir, profit and loss is a very easy chapter.
Yes, that is easy, but
maybe,
sir,
so maybe do percentage. So
Sorry?
maybe do percentage.
So you should like. It's too much.
Beta, we will be doing, but we will be not doing all the questions. We will cover all the concepts as I consulted with principal sir. He advised me to cover all the concepts. So we will cover all the concepts. We will make sure that you don't face any loss. So, and we will do the chapters. Okay. Okay, everyone start doing the 13th question. Try it. Start doing it. And after completing it, please post your answer in the group. 13th.
So which one? 13th one. Okay.
Yes, done.
No, sir, I'm saying that it is compulsory to write in brackets only. Can I write with open bracket?